31 divided by 2. 2 goes into 3 how many times? 1 times 1 times 2. 2. Subtract 1. Bring down this one. So 2 goes into 11 how many times? Look, 2 goes into 11. 6 times 12, which is getter, so 5 times. Write 5. 5 times 2, 10. Subtract 1. So your answer is 15 remainder 1. Or if you want to write answer in decimal, just take here decimal point. Now you are allowed to take any number of zeros. Bring down the first zero. But before the zero there is a decimal. Decimal must come to the quotient directly. So 2 goes into 10 how many times? 10 5 times. Write 5. 5 times 2, 10. Subtract, you are getting 0. So 15.5 is your answer. Look, to find out the multiplication of table of 2, just add 2 with the previous step. 2 times 0, 0. 2 times 1, 2. Just add 2 with 0, you will get this. 2 times 2, 4. Just add 2 with this 2.